Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here with CryptoGains. First of all, I'm delighted to share with you the brand new interface of StormGain, giving you a brand new experience of the platform. And what is new is you can see that we have this order book here showing you the bid and ask prices. In that case, it's for Bitcoin, so that you can get a bit of a sense of the market activity in real time. In addition to that, whenever you're looking at a particular cryptocurrency, you will always have that new trade panel on the side, giving you the opportunity to set your leverage, your stop loss and take profit targets, etc. In addition to that, what we have added is a very handy search function where you can just type the name of a cryptocurrency. It appears and you can select it easily instead of browsing through all of them. But now let me briefly discuss today's market opportunities. First of all, I'm starting with Bitcoin, of course, and what we're seeing is a break above that critical level of 16,000, at the minute trading near 16,100. It was forming a consolidating triangle, it broke above that. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that the relative strength index is just reaching to 67. Probably it will break above 70 in overbought territory. That's fine. It's in overbought territory when we're seeing the strongest rallies. So very strong case for buying Bitcoin right now. As you may remember, I discussed Bitcoin hitting 16,000 about 6 days ago when it was closer to 14,000 just after the election, and I also made some parallels with the 2016 elections. And if history repeats itself, which it tends to do in the case of Bitcoin, it rallied from 700 to 800 in 2016, so 14 to 16,000 in nowadays values. Then it had a brief pause around 950, so that would be the equivalent of 19,000 today. Then it reached all the way to 1,000 or 20,000 in today's values, ultimately reaching 24,000 in the coming months. So if you're more of a long-term investor in Bitcoin, definitely 20 and 24 are on the marks in the coming months. That is if history repeats itself, and we never know what the future will bring us. Quickly taking a look at Ethereum today, on the 4-hour chart we have the formation, which is even more visible on the 1-hour chart, of this rising wedge. Typically this is considered a bearish formation, but in this case it can be bullish or bearish because we're in an uptrend. However, this uptrend is coming at the same time as a decline in the MACD indicators and decline in the relative strength index. So it can be an early sign of a divergence between these indicators and a potential drop, testing that 420 support level. Conversely, it can break to the upside and we will be testing more of the longer term highs near the 480 level. XRP versus Tether, I'm looking at a very short-term 1-hour chart here, is forming this consolidating triangle, and to me this indicates that there is a breakout coming fairly soon. Also the MACD is fairly undecided, just tinkering on just above 0 at the minute. Also the relative strength index fairly neutral, just at 52, so keep an eye on repo and be ready to initiate positions as soon as it breaks out of that triangle. And the key idea for today, Dash versus Tether, we're observing the daily chart and it has just broken above the 0 line on the MACD indicator, and we have fairly well advancing relative strength index at 61 in bullish territory. So over 74, which to me is the critical level, I will be looking to be buying Dash with a target at 80 or 80.09, and I would be setting a fairly conservative stop loss at 72. So this is for a long position in Dash. And of course, keep expanding your knowledge with the video education section, the CryptoGains Market Insights subsection. Thank you very much for joining me today. Trade wisely, and I will see you soon. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the StormGain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.